from days long ago. There's a living legend, an art untouched by time. Countless adventurers have experienced it. Are you willing to risk the dangerous path to Apuangod?
Charot! What's up mga taragis? Come with us on a journey to experience Buscalan Tattoo Village and meet the legendary Apuangod.
Yun guys, papunta na kami kay Wang Lord.
Grabe naman kasi talaga yung daan dito. Kasama pala namin ng tagapagmana ni Apuangod. Ayan o, tignan nyo naman yung bangin na yan o. Maraming ganyan kami nadaanan. Yung tipong mapa-final destination kami. Finally, we have arrived at the jump-off point where you have to register before going to Buscalan Village for a fee of 100 pesos per person. O diba, outfit check, magte-trekking pero nakadress. Good job! There's a 45 to 1 hour trek up to Buscalan Village, but with the new hanging bridge, it's significantly reduced to around 10 minutes. To our luck, di namin nabutan yung hanging bridge. Etong bridge pa lang ang naabutan namin. Actually, we didn't have any idea about the trekking situation. Basta